Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Raya dating app. First, you need to be approved on Raya. Once you are accepted and have an active membership, open the Raya app on your iPhone and log in. When the app opens, you will see profile appear one at a time. Each profile has photo, a short bio, and usually music playing. If you are interested, swipe right. If you are not interested, swipe left. If you swipe right on someone and they also swipe right on you, it become a match. When you match, you can start chatting with each other. See your match and message, tap on the chat or message icon. To edit your profile, tap on your profile icon. Here you can change your photo, edit your bio, update your music, adjust your preferences. Keep your profile clean and good looking. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.